Hi there. I'll be doing a unboxing today of my new reborn toddler, and she came all the way from Sweden. Okay, so I pre-cut it, so let's get right into it. Oh my goodness. So this is the black bag right here. I think it's just like newspaper stuffing. Yeah. So there's nothing in there, just newspaper to protect it. Some pretty paper. And she didn't do like a huge box opening. I think it's just the baby to keep prices low for shipping. So I guess we'll go right into her. But here's her COA. I'm not going to tell you the kit until after I open it. But I got her COA. And she was a custom baby. And this is her little hat she came with. And it is a girl. Her little lovey. Okay. And here she is. Making sure there's nothing else in the box. Okay. And she's wrapped in a nice plastic bag to keep her nice and protected. And I'm gonna move this lower so you can see better now that we're more on the floor. Oh my goodness, you guys. You might be able to start telling who she is. Look at her cute little legs. I'll show you her little toes. She has nice coloring. Little toes. Oh, I've been so excited to finally meet her. And so I kind of had her made to resemble my daughter, my oldest daughter. So you guys will get an idea what my daughter looks like. And this is her long, pretty blonde hair, which matches mine like spot on. Okay. Oh yeah, her hands. Her cute little hands. You might be able to know what kit she is just by looking at her arms and legs. Alright. Okay, little girl. Here we go. Who's ready to see her? Here's her little smile. There she is. Okay. I'm going to take her hair out so you can get the full effect. Oh, so pretty. She had her hair in a nice braid for traveling. So, this is Katie Marie, sculpted by Ann Timmerman. And her artist is Ellen Vicklander. I believe I'm saying that right. I hope so. Don't hate me if I mess up. but she did a beautiful job. And she came all the way from Sweden. And she even has a little mole on the back of her neck, because most of my family has this little mole. Super cute. I'm just adjusting her head a little, because I want it on there good. Alright. So there she is, my new toddler. So pretty. Yay! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more reborn content. Thanks. Toddler. Katie Marie. But I named her Stella Rose. Oh, so beautiful. This is her Certificate of Authenticity by Ann Timmerman, and her artist was Ellen Wicklander from Sweden. And she can take a magnetic pacifier. And she's just absolutely gorgeous.